If you snap at your kids, listen to this. I was in the middle of making dinner when one of my daughters just started harassing her sister. I exploded. I just started screaming, letting out all sorts of steam. I felt like I went from 0 to 100 in an instant. But are our baselines ever really 0? Think about all the crap we have to take on pretty much every moment of every day. We're already elevated. So when we snap, we're not going from 0 to 100. Instead, we're likely going from 80 to 100. So don't get down on yourself for snapping. There is absolutely nothing wrong with you. You just need to work on getting that baseline number down so you're starting at a lower number and you're not able to boil over so easily. If you feel like you could use some help with getting triggered or self-regulation, head on over to happyhumanlife.org for more personalized support.